Hey there, future blogging superstar. Imagine this. You're sitting in your favorite PJs, sipping coffee, and your blog is out there making money for you. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's time to make that dream a reality because today, I'm spilling all the tea on how to do affiliate marketing with Blogger. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button because this channel is your ultimate guide to earning smarter, not harder. Trust me, you don't want to miss the secrets I'm about to share. Why Blogger is perfect for affiliate marketing. Let's start with why Blogger is the ultimate OG platform for affiliate marketing. Blogger is beginner-friendly, free, and has no confusing tech jargon to scare you off. Plus, it's owned by Google, so it integrates seamlessly with tools like AdSense and Analytics. And here's a fun fact. Blogs with affiliate links are among the top 3 most common ways people earn online. So, whether you're into travel, tech, fitness, or baking, there's a niche and an audience waiting for you. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The golden rule of affiliate marketing. Find your tribe. Pick a niche you're passionate about and that has earning potential. Love cooking? Go for kitchen gadgets. Into tech? Focus on the latest gadgets. Whatever it is, stay laser-focused. Here's a tip, don't go too broad. A blog about tech might be overwhelming, but budget-friendly gaming laptops narrows your focus and attracts the right readers. Step 2, join affiliate programs. Next up, get yourself signed up for affiliate programs. Some popular options include Amazon Associates for just about everything, Share A-Sale and CJ Affiliate for niche products, specific brand programs for products you already love. Remember, your readers trust you, so promote products you genuinely believe in. Nobody likes a sellout, and Google knows when you're faking it. Step 3. Write killer content. Affiliate marketing on Blogger isn't about spamming links, it's about solving problems. Write content that adds value and subtly includes your affiliate links. For example, top 5 budget-friendly laptops for students. How to bake the perfect cake, tools you need. 10 fitness gadgets that actually work. Use your blog posts to educate, entertain, and inspire readers while sprinkling in those affiliate links naturally. Step 4. Optimize for SEO. Blogging and SEO go hand in hand. Use Google's keyword planner to find what people are searching for in your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your blog title, headings, and content. For instance, if your post is about budget-friendly laptops, sprinkle in terms like affordable laptops, best laptops under $500, and student laptops on a budget. The goal? Show up in search results and get readers clicking on your links. Step 5. Promote like a pro. Your blog is live, your affiliate links are embedded. Now what? Share, share, share. Post your articles on social media, Pinterest, and even email newsletters. The more eyes on your blog, the better your chances of earning. Bonus tip, build an email list. It's a direct line to your audience and a great way to promote your latest posts and offers. Step 6, track and tweak. Affiliate marketing is a game of fine-tuning. Use tools like Google Analytics to see which posts are driving traffic and clicks. Are readers loving your top 5 gadgets post? Double down on similar content. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll start seeing results and commissions. And there you have it. Affiliate marketing on Blogger is your ticket to passive income. So grab your laptop, start creating, and watch your blog become a money-making powerhouse. Before you go, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a money-making tip. Comment below and let me know your blogging niche. I can't wait to hear what you're working on. Let's make that dream of earning online a reality.